By the quiet riverside, the parrot stepped forward for a simple sip of water, but in a sudden slip, everything changed. It fell into the stormy river, tossed and turned by the wild currents. Strange, glowing algae wrapped around its wings, pulling it deeper into danger. On the riverbank, the baby parrot cried out, its tiny voice echoing through the jungle. Hearing the call, the rescue team rushed in, nets spreading, water jets pushing, hearts united. Inch by inch, they fought the river and pulled the parrot to safety. Gently, they removed the glowing algae until the parrot finally opened its eyes. The baby parrot leapt into its arms, and the jungle celebrated a rescue filled with courage, love,